Hi guys, it's me, Izzy, and today I'm going to be reacting to Dang Matt Smith Kids Funny Test Answers. But before I do that, I want you guys to take a close look at this picture. Gotta move that out of the way so I can see this crap. Describe yourself in 4 words. My ding dong is big. What? Okay. Anyways, let's get into this. Okay, so I am there, and let's just get into it. What?
So I imagine that most of you guys are in school or have taken a test of some sort. Not me, because I flunked out a long time ago. I feel like the worst part of school is when you take a test and there's a question on there. Are in school or have taken a test of some sort. Not me, because I flunked out a long time ago. I feel like the worst part of school is when you take a test and there's a question on there where you don't know the answer. So what do? Leave the question blank?
Wait, I gotta pause for a minute. Okay, I finally found the best way to sit down, and yeah.
Do you take a wild guess, or do you draw a dragon like me in hopes that the teacher will find you artistic and creative and give you at least a couple points? I drew one nice Charizard one time, and the teacher didn't think it was cool. The teacher thought it was lame. So right now, we're gonna look at some funny answers that some kids put on their tests and their homework. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. And don't forget, everybody, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button.
So you guys can see what the test answers.
Every time I post a new video. So, Research Squad, Notification Squad, let's do this. Okay, number 1. Bob has 36 candy bars. He eats 29. What does he have now? And the answer that the kid put is diabetes. Bob has diabetes. He's not wrong. If you take the I out of diabetes, it spells dab. Diabetes. Why are there rings on Saturn? Because God liked it, so he put a ring on it. Draw a plant cell and identify its most important parts. This kid literally drew a plant inside of a prison cell. Jeez, that plant looks sadder than grass about to get ran over by a lawnmower. Or grass that's about to be smoked. Where was the American Declaration of Independence signed? At the bottom. He or she is not wrong. Research Squad, where was the Declaration of Independence signed? Not for me. I mean, I already know, but I just want to make sure that you guys know. Wasn't it signed in Pittsburgh? You little stupid air. Wow. What ended in 1896? 1895. What did end in 1896? I'm pretty sure it was the Civil War. Wait a minute, no.
It's slavery.
The Civil War ended in 1865 when slavery was abolished. Every time in class, if the teacher starts talking about says something remotely related to slavery, the teacher will look around. I'm the only black person in the class. Teacher would be like, let's see, Matt, what do you think about slavery? I'm like, what? You gotta ask the black man what he thinks. You know what the black man thinks about slavery. Ask some of the white people. It says, name the quadrilateral. And this girl actually named the quadrilateral. She named the square Bob, like Bob the Builder. She named the parallelogram Sam. And then she named the big rectangle Harry. Nobody spells
Wait. Parallelogram Sam. Parallelogram Sam.
Harry with one R? What, were Harry's parents so poor that they couldn't afford 2 R's? At the beginning of the month, Chang prepared a monthly car budget. For which quantity will Chang have the exact number in advance? This person drew in their own answer. They put E. Asians don't drive. I mean, geez, who was taking this test? Donald Trump? And how do they know that Chang is Asian? There could be a black Chang wearing a Chang, going to PF Chang's. You know what I'm saying? Asians drive. Just stereotypes suggest that they don't drive very well. I was driving the other day and there was an accident on the side of the freeway, and I looked over and they were Asian. But that doesn't mean, I always see white people getting in accidents all the time, but Tracy is wrong. Use an example to show that Tracy is wrong. This person wrote, she's a woman. How many of these tests is Donald Trump taking?
On this person.
Okay, so for this one, you just write what the object in the drawing is. So drawing of a taxi cab, you write cab. Okay, there's a drawing of a bag, you write bag. There's a drawing of a man with the arrow pointing to... Whoa! What is this? So they wrote penis. Looking at the drawing, they're not wrong. This is homework for, first graders. You can't be having arrows pointing down to the ding-dong. I mean, no.
Ding
no.
dong,
Ding
here
dong.
I come to
No,
find
nobody's
you.
home. You can't do that. Okay. What in the what is
What kind of
this?
scissors
I
is that?
apologize for this crudeness. Like what? I'm not trying to criticize this kid's artistic prowess, but that don't look like no scissors. The scissors like curve at the end, and scissors don't do that. It's okay. I'm sure it was unintentional by this child because they even
It
labeled
looks like
it.
what
They
it's not
labeled it
supposed to look
scissors.
like.
Okay, they didn't label it.
I'm glad they labeled
penis.
it.
You know,
or I would've
whoever wrote
found
this answer was black. I could feel it. My black senses are tingling. It says, nigga, you ain't teach this. Say what's on your mind, why don't you? E is for elephant. My elephant likes to eat penis. Okay, alright, this is getting ridiculous. This poor clueless child meant to write, my elephant likes to eat peanuts. But instead they wrote penis. And they wrote, and eat nuts. And sit by me.
Crap on this
one
kid.
Weird elephant. Use commands to tell your sister to do the following things. They wrote, I don't have a sister.
Savage.
Savage. Alright, for this one, they're supposed to write, like, you know, this boy is sad or this boy is glad. He scraped his knee, he's hurt, and they wrote, this boy is ugly. What? Dang, the roast session is real. Like, they just put, this boy is ugly. Is it because he's white? Is that it? Is that why he's ugly? Huh? Just because the boy is wearing grandpa shoes doesn't mean he's ugly. Would you want to swim with the boy in this water? Circle yes or no. They circled no. Okay, explain your answer. No, because there's trash in the water. Yeah. And he's chubby.
I'm chubby.
So
Wait. Trigger warning. I'm about to show you that I'm chubby. Anyways, look, I'm super chubby. You're offending me by that. Okay, I'm back to the video.
Contagious. You're not gonna catch a disease because he's chubby. I'm just glad they didn't put something like, no, I don't want to swim in the water with this kid because he's black. That would have been, man, that would have cut deep because this kid's obviously like black or he looks, I don't know, he looks gray. Name a solid, poop. Name a liquid, pee. Name a gas, fart. You know this was a boy. You just know, You just know this was a boy who wrote this. I mean, I
us
feel like
girls
while this
do not
boy was
do
doing
that
this homework,
stuff.
he had to
JK,
poop,
I
pee,
said
and fart like all at the same time.
Wait, I just want to show you guys this disturbing picture real quick. I mean, it's not the picture that's disturbing, it's what the picture says. I probably already showed this to you. But my ding dong is big. Like, who does that? My ding dong is big. Like, what the crap? If I said that, I'd probably get in big trouble soon.
Okay, for this one, they're supposed to write, like, you know, how you wrap
here
a
we go.
present. So they wrote, first, I get the rate. Okay, they spelled wrapping wrong. They spelled it R-A-P-I-N-G. So this is going to sound like some Mad Libs right now. First, I get the raping paper and the bow, the card, and the raping paper. Next, I put the raping paper on the box and fold it. Last, I tape the raping paper. Then I put the bow and White, who is 2. Oh man, you poor clueless boy. Can a man still reproduce with only one testicle? What kind of class is this? I've taken health class. They don't ask these kind of questions. I think the teacher's asking for like their own personal research. They're like, hey, so, yeah, can a man still reproduce with only one testicle? I'm not asking for myself. I'm asking for a friend. Yeah, asking for a friend. And then the answer they put is, no, girls don't find that attractive. Unscramble the words to make a sentence. Okay, so they have a drawing of a goat. I'm pretty sure the first one's supposed to say, my goat is in a pen. They put my penis in a goat. I'm pretty sure they meant my pen is in a goat, but they put the words too close together, so it looks like.
Well, what'd the poor goat do? Eat your ding dong? Yeah, the goat ate your ding dong.
My penis in a goat. That's bestiality. You can't do. No, that's not right. My penis is in a goat. Man, get that out of here. 3 ladybugs and 4 more ladybugs, so they draw 3 ladybugs.
Look at those seals.
Okay. 4 seals and 2 more seals. What?
Those aren't seals. That's not a seal.
We need to take these.
Kids start our class, yeah. Exactly. Wait a minute. I gotta unpause this real quick or it won't work.
These kids.
These right here are not seals. Look, I'll just tell you right now. Oh, wait, I gotta hit. Wait, can I do this real quick? Please? Sorry you guys have to watch me do all this crap, but it's not my fault. Wait.
is to our
Okay. Seriously, these are not seals. Those look completely different. I was thinking wrong, boy. Get that out of here.
art class so they can learn to draw. Okay, and the last one, I think this is like chemistry. This is like a chemistry test. You know, there's like elements, the chemistry elements and stuff like that. So it says HCOON, but it looks like it says Hakuna. So they write Matata. Just do the chemistry
Hakuna
work
Matata.
and leave your Matatas to yourself. Boom, that's it. That's it. I mean, those were like some
Yep, that's it. But anyways, guys, that was actually hilarious. I'll be doing part 2 later. This is just part 1. And let me see how many parts there are. I think there's like 17 parts. You know, I'll check later, and I'll tell you in the next video. But still, yeah, and goodbye, my people.